Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Keith. Today I'm going to be demonstrating Qigong meditation. A little background about Qigong: it's an ancient Chinese exercise and healing technique. The phrase Qigong means master of one's energy. It's intended to improve physical, mental, and spiritual health. Qigong combines meditation, gentle movement, and controlled breathing. So there are numerous benefits to Qigong, including improving balance, sharpening focus, and it also reduces the risk of chronic disease by reducing stress and improving blood flow and just overall wellness. It also lowers stress and anxiety. So the thing of Qigong, which I hope I'm saying this right, bear with me if I'm not, but the theme of it is effortless effort. So everything we're doing, you have to put some effort in the way of thinking about what you're doing, thinking of how you're breathing, thinking of how you're holding your body. But even though it requires some effort, it's supposed to also feel effortless in some way, where you just are naturally supposed to do these movements with your body. So there are two types of Qigong, active and passive. Active involves more of moving your body, and it's different movements that you can actually feel Qi throughout your body, and you can kind of move it throughout. However, today I'm going to demonstrate passive, which is more of the sitting, breathing, being fully aware of your posture, because that's very important in Qigong. So today I'm just going to demonstrate the passive Qigong. So like I said, posture is very important. It's considered to be the center of Qigong, so we're going to start there. So we're going to start with our neck. I like to crack mine before I do any form of meditation, just because I feel like it just loosens it. But we're going to start with our neck. We're going to relax our muscles. I'm going to try to do this with you. Sometimes it's hard to do these and talk, but I'm going to give you the steps, and after I say it, try to follow along. So we're going to relax the muscles in our neck and down our spine. So your head should feel very light and very balanced. You should neither be slouched or rigid. So what I want you to do is kind of just imagine that there's a string attached to the top of your head, and it reaches all the way up, and you should just feel lightly suspended. So our head is being very light, very balanced. Our posture's just kind of where we naturally feel comfortable, not being slouched or making our spine feel too rigid. And just imagine that there's a string just holding us suspended. Now I want you to touch your tongue to the roof of your mouth and just relax your lips. Then we're going to move down to the shoulders and the elbows. So the shoulders, just allow your shoulders to sink down, not holding any tension. Don't roll your shoulders forward or tighten them in any way. Just let them sink down naturally, wherever feels comfortable. I want you to loosen your elbows and just lightly bend them. Moving to your back, the spine acts as the highway for Qi. So again, think of your spine as a rope. It's stretched slightly to the string, going from the crown of your head and down your neck. Allow your spine to feel open and to be mostly straight. Your chest should also feel open and slightly sunk in. And now we're going to get to one of the most important parts of Qigong, which is the breathing. So in Qigong, we breathe with our stomachs first, and then our chest second. And we're also going to breathe through our nose rather than through our mouth. So I want you to place your palms on your belly. We're going to inhale through our nose, allow our abdomen to expand as our lungs fill with air. So through your nose, and then you're going to exhale, allow your abdomen to contract. So what this does, it allows you to take in more oxygen rather than just shallow chest breathing. So again, we're going to breathe in through our nose, allow our bellies to expand, and then breathe out of our mouth. So while we do our breathing, be mindful of the 6 breaths of Qigong, which is slow, long, deep, fine, even, and tranquil. So just be very mindful. There are also chants you can do with Qigong. So after a few minutes of breathing, I want you to allow the tongue to touch the roof of your mouth. And when you inhale, think the words I am. At the top of your breath, gently hold and think the words calm and exhale and think the words relaxed. So while you're going through this breathing process, you're forming the words, the phrase I am calm and relaxed. So again, you inhale, think the words I am, hold your breath, think the words calm and exhale and think the words relaxed. And you just do this at least 3 times and as many times as needed for you to feel comfortable and centered and at peace and to feel relaxed. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope this helps everyone as much as it's helped me.